Hi, in front of me is CUBOT X18 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS launcher on this CUBOT. Firstly, open Play Store. Now you need to type iOS launcher over here and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click Allow and tap Home button. Then click on iOS launcher over here and choose Always. Now you need to tap Got it, and as you can see, now I have Apple layout on my Android. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!